I love that there's so many different colors as well as finishes or mixatives to choose with alcohol inks. Let's compare the alcohol ink Pearl Kit 1 from Ranger with the Summit View alcohol ink set. The Summit View alcohol ink set is just a regular alcohol ink, so there's no metallics or pearls in it. The alcohol ink pearls have a colored mica powder mixed right in them, so it does settle to the bottom, so you want to make sure to mix them really well before you use them. I'm blending these with alcohol ink blender solution. You have to use the blender solution with the pearls. The isopropyl alcohol will make the pearls go grainy and funny. So I'm just working on some craft plastic here. You could also work on Yupo alcohol ink cardstock, something that's just suitable for alcohol ink. I'm blending it out with an alcohol ink blower tool. It's a nice inexpensive tool that's meant for this particular job. And you can have a lot of control whether you use little tiny bursts and barely move the alcohol ink or whether you completely blow it around. You'll notice as I start blending around that the alcohol inks are really blendy and flowy. There's a lot of liquid there, but as that alcohol ink starts to dissipate, it will start flowing a lot slower and you'll be able to control keeping the colors in one area or not blending it out quite as much so that you can see a little bit more texture, a little bit more color difference between the different colors. The alcohol ink pearls have a really pretty pearly finish at the end, and I'm using the set together, but you can use one pearl with some of the regular alcohol inks. You don't have to use them all together. You can mix them with other things, and it's a really beautiful finish to mix them with other things, having some regular alcohol inks along with the pearls. But I want you to be able to see the difference at the end between the side that has the pearls and the side that has just the regular alcohol inks. The colors are fairly similar here. So it's really just that finish that you're going to be able to see, as well as the fact that they blend a little bit differently from each other. So there you can see on the right hand side, we've got a nice pearly finish. And on the left hand side, we have just that regular transparent alcohol ink.